Good evening, this is Jan, back with another beer review. Again from Kompaan Brewery, which is one of my favorite breweries in the Netherlands. This one is a collaboration with Two Chefs Brewing. The name is Firebird and it's a strawberry fruited sour with basil. Now that sounds like an extraordinary combination of flavors, if you ask me. I'm curious. I'm gonna pour this in my big glass. Color is not red like strawberry, it's like an IPA color, kind of. Very yellow, straw yellow, that is. Yeah, the smell is like, that is fruit, that is fruity, that is candy. Now that is nice, that is different. That is not my usual kind of beer. It's quite sour, alright, yeah. I do taste strawberry. Yes, this is definitely a fruit beer, fruit driven in every way. I don't know what I think about this beer. It's not bad. No, it's this is quality. Yeah, of course it's from Kompaan, but anyway, it's strange. And I must admit, I'm not very familiar with the sour beer type. Very fresh, yeah, from the acidity. Very fruity like. Different than the commercial fruit beer types, styles. You taste the strawberry, a little red berry kind of stuff. Also hops, definitely. I'm looking for that basil, that herb, Mediterranean herb, I call it. Not sure if I recognize basil in this one. Now this sure is a remarkable beer. Very different than all other beers that I have tried in my life. Very fruity, very acidic. Nice. Yeah. I like this beer, although it's different. So, wanna thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. And remember, keep on enjoying your beer like I do.